Ja ayu ya Ushnu Jongpi. What happened to your hair? Nga la dep I wrong ya u. I colored it. Minu pita wrong ya u. When did you apply color on it? Nga ta minin. I applied yesterday. Pinta lang yangaru. Apply for me also. Pidan urong ta snyo. Do you have hair color? Ngam dan. No, I don't have. Ningkong kilet tiet shwa. First of all, go and buy. Pinta menta ka sngi em. You'll apply today, right? Yangin le minta. Let us do it now. Pidan ubran. Do you have a brush? Uday ubarem. It is an old one. Ngila banpin dan kam yau. Can we use it? To ngin yapet ja ayu. Let's see what happens. Uday ubrut ubabha. It is a good quality brush. Pidan kadno tli kum uto. How many of it do you have? What ta wrong ya ka snido jonga. Do not color my skin. Map ngala kum bakla. Sorry, I made a mistake. Pila bantre hakapur bakran artan. Can you work while you talk? Ngala tangba nga suki. I can, but I am slow.